Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0052, HO2S Heater Control Circuit High Bank to Sensor 1. This means your car's computer detected a problem with the oxygen sensor heater circuit on the passenger side bank 2 before the catalytic converter sensor 1. Don't worry, it's not a mystery. In this video, we'll break down the causes and show you some steps to diagnose and potentially fix it yourself. First, let's understand what this code means. Oxygen sensors help regulate your engine's air-fuel mixture, which is key for performance and emissions. They have a heater element that helps them reach operating temperature quickly. A P0052 code suggests the heater circuit for this particular sensor is reading higher voltage than expected. You might notice an illuminated check engine light, but other symptoms may be less obvious, like increased fuel consumption or rough idling. Tools you'll need: OBDI scanner to clear the code after the fix, socket wrench set to remove the sensor, replacement oxygen sensor. Consult your car's manual for the right part, optional, multimeter to test the electrical circuit. Always work on a cool car parked on a level surface. Disconnect the battery before tinkering with electrical components. Before diving in, check for any loose or damaged wiring around the oxygen sensor. Look for exhaust leaks near the sensor as well, which can mess with readings. If the wiring seems okay, we can suspect a faulty sensor or a blown fuse. Consult your car's repair manual to locate the fuse for the oxygen sensor heater circuit and check it with a tester. Here's the most common fix. Locate the oxygen sensor number 1 on bank 2. Refer to your car's manual for exact location. Use the socket wrench to remove the sensor. Unscrew the electrical connector and carefully remove the sensor. Install the new sensor and reconnect the wiring. Tighten the sensor with the wrench following the recommended torque specifications. Refer to your manual. Reconnect the battery and start the car. Once you've replaced the sensor or fixed the wiring, use your OBDI scanner to clear the P0052 code. Then test drive your car and see if the code comes back. If you're not comfortable replacing the sensor yourself, or if the fix doesn't clear the code, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic. They can diagnose the problem accurately and get your car running smoothly again. Thanks for joining me. I hope this video helped you understand and potentially fix the P0052 code. Remember, if things get too complex, a mechanic is always there to help. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips.